Venice, a city built not on land, but on dreams. Over 100 islands stitched together by canals instead of roads. As the boat cuts through the mist and the skyline of spires and domes comes into view, one thing becomes clear. This is not just a place, it's a living work of art. No cars, no streets, just water, history and silence, interrupted only by the lapping tide. The gondola is more than a ride. It's a tradition that dates back centuries. Each turn reveals hidden courtyards, decaying beauty, and reflections that seem too perfect to be real. And when the gondolier sings, it's not just a performance, it's a heartbeat of the city. This is Venice in motion. If you're enjoying this journey through one of the world's most magical cities, take a moment and click that subscribe button. More untold places and real stories are waiting. The Grand Canal winds like a giant S through the center of Venice. Lined with marble palaces from the Renaissance, it was once the superhighway of the Venetian Republic. Everything came through here: merchants, artists, philosophers, explorers. And today, as sunlight hits the water just right, it feels like the past is still flowing right beside you. Rialto Bridge, one of Venice's oldest and most iconic crossings. From here, you don't just see the Grand Canal, you feel it. It's a place where travelers have paused for centuries. And as the sky turns orange and the canal glows below, it's hard not to reflect, not just on the city, but on the moment itself. Getting lost in Venice isn't an accident, it's a rite of passage. Google Maps gives up quickly here. That's when you find the true Venice. The quiet courtyards, the little bridges, the locals hanging laundry from window to window. You're not lost. You're just exactly where the city wants you to be. At night, Venice slows even more. No crowds. Just candlelight and distant footsteps echoing across the stone. It's in these hours that the city whispers its secrets. You understand why people fall in love with Venice again and again. Venice doesn't move fast, doesn't shout. It teaches you to slow down, to float. And if you let it, it'll stay with you long after you leave. Hit subscribe and follow the journey, because next, we're heading to a mountaintop mystery where the clouds wrap around ancient stones.